to export footage on a PC from your CCTV system. So you want to load up your Smart PSS app, which has got the CCTV loaded onto it, and you'll be presented with this screen. We want to hit the playback in this area here, and then down this left hand side you'll probably have only one or two sites, depending on how many sites you've got, but obviously we have a number of sites. So we're just going to click Epics, which is our office, and then you can see the different channels or different cameras that you've got allocated to you. We want to look at the front door. So if we go down now, we can select different parameters here. So record type, all records. I would, for the purpose of this, just leave it as all records. Down here you'll press the icon and it will bring you up your calendar. So we want to go to yesterday, and we're just going to search that day. So if you click search there, it will eventually load you up a bar of different colours, which just means different events have happened, with your times of 2 AM, 4 AM, going all the way up to midnight that night. Now we know the event was around 7:45, so you can click on the bar and it'll bring you up a detailed search time, of which you can start then looking at. So if you click it, it will bring it up for you in this screen. And there is the van. So if we go back a little bit to 7:45, 7:49. It is quite sensitive, so it's hard to use. And there's Jake coming in. So you should be able to double click that to make it bigger. And then this little icon down here at the left hand side is the scissors that you would click to start the recording, and then you can drag the end of the recording wherever you want. Just bear in mind, if you would try to export a lot of footage, it'll take a long time. Once you've got this sorted out and you've decided when you want to start and finish the footage, click the scissors again, and it will bring you up a drop down box here. So the export format we would always suggest to be MP4, but if you're exporting for the police or someone else, just check with them in which format they want it in. So if you click MP4, browse as to where you want it to be exported to, so we would just put it on our desktop, and then click open, and then that will create a file on your desktop saved as that video clip. It can take some time depending on how many cameras you're exporting and downloading, but any problems at all, give us a call.